Good morning friends. Today I am going to start the new chapter, areas of triangles, including Heron's formula. Chapter number 4 from the Prachi publication book. Now you know about triangles. A plan figure bounded by three sides. A plan figure bounded by three sides is known as triangle. This is a plan figure and these are the sides. AB, AC and BC are sides. Sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle are AB, BC and AC. And there are three angles of the triangle. Angles of the triangle. Angles of the triangle. Angles of the triangle are angle A, angle B and angle C. These are the six band parts of a triangle. I know triangles are classified in two ways. First, on the basis of sides of triangle. Second, on the basis of angles of a triangle. In this chapter, you will study the area of triangle related to the sides of the triangle. If all sides of the triangle are known, then we can calculate its area by applying a very famous formula known as Heron's formula. Heron's, a Greek mathematician, he gave a formula and according to their name, the formula got its name Heron's formula. And the side opposite to angle A, the side opposite to angle A is considered as small a. Side opposite to angle B is considered as small b, and the side opposite to angle C considered as small c. There are three sides, A, B and C. If we write small a, it means it is the side opposite to angle A. The side opposite to angle A is considered as small a, and the side opposite to angle B is considered as small b, and that of small c is considered as small. That of the C, angle C, the side opposite to angle C is considered as C. Now, semi-perimeter is calculated as is A plus B plus C by 2, where S is known as semi-perimeter. Now, perimeter of any figure is the length of its boundary, and the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its sides, that is the sum of length of its sides. And the semi-perimeter is the half of the perimeter of a triangle. That's why we say that S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. And area of triangle is written as area of a triangle under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the Heron formula. Heron gave the formula to calculate the area of a triangle if all its sides are known. One of sides A, other is B, and third one is C. And S is the semi-perimeter. Now, calculating semi-perimeter, we can easily calculate the area of the triangle. If all the sides of a triangle are known, then we can easily calculate the area of the triangle. This is the Heron's formula, known as Heron's formula. Heron's formula to calculate area of a triangle. Now, there is another formula also to calculate the area of triangle. If base of a triangle and corresponding altitudes are known, then we can calculate the area by applying another formula. Suppose ABC is triangle and AD is altitude down from vertex A to the opposite side BC. Then area of a triangle equal to half multiplied base multiplied height. In this case, area of triangle height. In this case, area of triangle, in short we can write area of triangle in this way. Area of triangle ABC equal half multiplied BC multiplied AD. Half multiplied BC multiplied AD, where BC is the base and AD is the corresponding altitude. In the case of obtuse angle triangle, the altitude may fall outside. Suppose there is a triangle whose one of the angle is obtuse angle. In this case, ABC. Suppose this one is triangle and this angle is obtuse angle. Then the altitude may fall outside. The area of triangle is half into BC into AD. In this case also the same, half into BC into AD, where AD is the altitude. In obtuse angle triangle, the altitude may becomes the outside, that is, it may come outside of the triangle. Third formula to calculate the area of triangle for equilateral triangle. You know, any triangle whose all sides are equal in length is called equilateral triangle. Suppose ABC we have equilateral triangle, then you can calculate this area by applying another formula. Area of an equilateral triangle, like that. Area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 divided by 4 multiplied side square. But this formula is applicable only in the case of equilateral triangle. If all sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle, and area of an equilateral triangle is calculated by the formula root 3 by 4 into side square. There is a formula to obtain area of isosceles triangle also. Isosceles triangle, it is two of the sides are equal. Suppose ABC be an isosceles triangle. A triangle is said to be isosceles if two of its sides are equal in length. Here AB equal to AC, but not equal to BC. If all the sides are equal, then the triangle will be equilateral. But two of the sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles triangle. Its equal side is considered A, and the base BC is considered as base B. The area of an isosceles triangle is calculated by formula 1 by 4b under root 4a square minus b square, where b is the base, a is the equal sides, one of its equal sides. Thus there is a specific formula to obtain the area of an isosceles triangle, area of an equilateral triangle. But in the case where all the sides are given, either it is isosceles or equilateral or scalar, it does not matter. We can apply the Heron formula. Heron formula is applicable in all the three cases, that is in all three types of triangles. In the case, you can apply Heron formula also if the two sides are equal and one is different in length, then the triangle is isosceles, and Heron formula is applicable in this case also. That is, you can obtain the value of S by applying the formula A plus B plus C by 2, which is the semi-perimeter of the triangle, and the area of the triangle, as I have written earlier by Heron formula, it is under root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And by applying that formula, you can calculate the area of the triangle. But in short, there are two formulas also to calculate the area of an equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle, and you should have that formula also. Now I am solving some related to triangles, area of triangle. But before we start, you must have idea about its perimeter. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 2a plus b. Right, perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 2a plus b, and perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into a, because all sides are equal. And if you want to sum the sides, then you have to add 3a. Then the perimeter of an equilateral triangle can be calculated by the formula 3a, where a is the equal side, 3 into one of the sides. Now there are some lines here also, rectangle, square, trapezium, rhombus, and you should idea about that, because unless you have the idea, you cannot solve the sum related to area of the plot figures. Therefore, I am adding some more formula to calculate the area of the different plot figures. Area of rectangle, rectangle is a parallelogram whose each internal angle is 90 degree. A parallelogram whose each interior angle is 90 degree is known as rectangle, and it has some characteristic features, that is the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. And this AB equal to CD, AD equal to BC, if ABCD is a rectangle. And obviously this one is a parallelogram, therefore its opposite sides are parallel also. And its diagonals are equal. Diagonals of a rectangle are equal. AC equal to BD. Suppose this one ABCD is a rectangle. Let ABCD be a rectangle. Then AB equal to DC, AD equal to BC, and AC equal to BD. That is the opposite sides. These are the opposite sides. Opposite sides are equal, and this one the length of diagonals are also equal in the case of a rectangle. And any parallelogram whose each interior angle is 90 degree is said to be a rectangle. Now there are two dimensions in a rectangle. One is the length, other is the breadth. The longer side is known as length, and the shorter side is known as breadth. There are two dimensions. In short, we write L and B. L for length and B for breadth. Now, area of a rectangle. Now, area of rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. Area of a rectangle. L into B. Area is a measure of the whole region bounded by four sides of the quadrilateral, and the quadrilateral is a rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B. Perimeter of a rectangle perimeter of a rectangle 2 times L plus B 2 times length plus breadth. As I told you that the perimeter is the length of boundary. Then if you add AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, then you have 2 times L, 2 times length and 2 times breadth. AB is the length, BC is the breadth, again CD is the length and AD is the breadth. Therefore 2 times length is added to 2 times of breadth to give the perimeter of the rectangle. That's why its perimeter is calculated by formula 2L plus 2B. Taking 2 as common, you have 2 times L plus B. The formula perimeter of the rectangle 2 times L plus B. And area is always calculated in square unit. If the length and breadth are given in meters, then area must be in the unit square meter. And perimeter is calculated in the unit, that is the unit of length and breadth. That is, if the length and breadth are in meter, then the perimeter must be in meter because this is the length. And there is a formula for diagonal of a rectangle. Diagonal of a rectangle is calculated by the formula by the diagonal of a rectangle. Diagonal means either AC or BD because both are equal here. It is the line segment joining the alternate parts, that is A, C or B and D. Now, if we calculate diagonal, then we have to apply the formula under root L square plus B square. This is the formula to obtain diagonal of a rectangle. Here you see ABC, this one is a right angle triangle. Because angle ABC is 90 degree, and you can apply Pythagoras theorem here. And applying Pythagoras theorem, you can easily calculate the diagonal. AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. You know, in a right angle triangle, the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. And AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. And applying that formula, you can obtain AC. That applying that theorem, which is known as Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate diagonal of a rectangle. This is the diagonal of a rectangle. D equal to under root L square plus B square. The second plan figure is square. Square is also a parallelogram whose axial sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Any parallelogram whose axial sides are equal and each interior angle is 90 degree is known as square. And its characteristics are all the sides are equal. Suppose ABCD, this one is a square, then this must be a parallelogram. And each interior angle must be equal, that is 90 degree. And adjacent side, that is ADBC, BC, AB and BC, these are the pairs of adjacent side, AD and AB, AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and AD, they are four pairs of adjacent sides and all pairs are equal. Now, AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD, CD equal to AD, AD equal to AB, it means all the sides are equal. And each interior angle is 90 degree, that this one is square. And there is only one dimension, that is the side of the square. This one AB is known as side. Now, if side of the square is known, then you can calculate its area. Area of a square is equal to side square. Side multiplied by side, or you can write side square. And its unit is square root. Perimeter of a square, perimeter, the length of the sum of the length of boundaries, AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Perimeter of a square is 4 times side, 4 multiplied by side. And there is a formula to obtain diagonal also. Diagonal of a square, both diagonals are equal in length. and both bisect each other at 90 degree also. In the case of a square, diagonals are mutually perpendicular to each other, and they bisect also. As it is a parallelogram, I know diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Thus, the diagonal of a square also bisect each other. AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, angle AOD is 90 degree, and similarly all these four angles are 1, 2, 3, 4. All angles are 90 degree. That is, both are perpendicular to each other. AC and BD. AC and BD are perpendicular to each other. In other words, we can say that AC and BD are mutually perpendicular. Now, there is formula to obtain diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square is root 2 into side. There is a formula to obtain diagonal of a square. It is root 2 multiplied by side. The main three formulas applied in the case of a square, that is the area, perimeter, and diagonal of a square. The next graph figure I am talking about is parallelogram. Now, any quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its opposite sides are parallel. If AD is parallel to BC and DC is parallel to AB, then this one is a parallelogram, ABCD. And in order to calculate area, two things are needed. One, the base and the corresponding altitude on that base. If the base and altitude, corresponding altitude are known, then we can calculate the area of the parallelogram. Right, area of a parallelogram, it is given by the formula base into height. And perimeter of a parallelogram 2 into sum of two adjacent sides. Sum of two adjacent sides. Sum of two adjacent sides. Adjacent sides are ABBC, BCCD, CDAD, or ADAD. There are four pairs of adjacent sides. The sides which are common in are said to be adjacent sides. Here you see AB and AB, one end is common, A is common in both. That's why these two are said to be adjacent sides. AB and BC, B end is common in AB and BC. Therefore, we say that AB and BC are adjacent sides. Similarly for BC and CD and AB and BC. Now, we cannot calculate the diagonal because there is no relation between the adjacent side and diagonal. And without knowing the angle, we cannot calculate the diagonal of a parallelogram. Now, next is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel and other pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. Suppose ABCD is a trapezium, then the two pairs of sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. AB parallel to BC, but AD not parallel to BC. Let ABCD be a trapezium. ABCD be a trapezium. Then AB, like AB parallel DC, but one of the pair of opposite sides are parallel, other are non-parallel. AB not parallel to BC. Now, in the case, you can calculate the area if If the parallel sides are known and its altitude are also known, area of a trapezium, area of a trapezium, it is calculated by the formula half into sum of parallel sides, sum of its parallel sides, sum of its parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. Distance is calculated between the two lines by drawing perpendicular. If two lines are parallel, then their perpendicular distance remains the same. Is equal distance between the parallel sides. Distance between the parallel sides. Sometimes we can write it as height also. Height. Therefore, we can write area of a trapezium equal to half multiplied sum of parallel sides into height. Height is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. There is only one formula to calculate the area of a trapezium. And if you want to calculate the perimeter, then you must have idea about the length of the done parallel side also, and the length of the parallel side should be known. Then you can calculate the perimeter. Perimeter of the trapezium is the sum of all its sides. Unless you know the sides, all sides, you can't calculate the perimeter. Therefore, to calculate perimeter, you must have idea of all the sides. Perimeter of a trapezium equal to sum of all its sides. Sum of all its four sides. That is AB. Perimeter of trapezium ABCD. Perimeter of trapezium ABCD equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. If all sides are known, then you can calculate its perimeter. And there is also a plan figure which is important to know, that is the rhombus. And in the case of rhombus, area is calculated with the help of its diagonals. Rhombus. As is silent here, its pronunciation is rhombus, and it is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal, but each interior angle is not 90 degrees. A parallelogram whose adjacent sides are equal. In this case, AB, CD is a parallelogram. In short, we write parallelogram as I am writing here symbolic form, and AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All the sides are equal, but each interior angle is not 90. If each interior angle is 90, then it will get a special name, that is the square. Therefore, there is a difference in square and rhombus. In rhombus, all the sides are equal, but all the angles are not 90 degrees. But in the case of square, all the sides are equal and each interior angle is 90 degrees. In this case, if two diagonals are known, AC and BD are diagonals. If two diagonals are known, then we can calculate its area. One diagonal is considered as D1 and other is D2. If D1 and D2 are the length of diagonals, of a rhombus, then its area is calculated by the formula. Area of a rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2. That is half into product of diagonals. And perimeter, if one side of a rhombus is known, then we can calculate the perimeter of a rhombus by the formula 4 into side. It is the same as the perimeter of a square. Because in this case also the sides are equal. AB, BC, CD and AD all are equal. If one of the sides is A, then it's perimeter for A. Sums here on the board. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 3, 9, 12 and 15. Question is find the area of a triangle whose sides are 9 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Solution. Suppose one of the sides of the triangle is A, let small a 9, small b, where A, B, C are the sides of a triangle, where A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. A, B, C. Now, area of a triangle, by Heron formula, you have to calculate the area applying Heron formula because this one is a scalar triangle. You know, sum of two sides of a triangle must be greater than third. If this is not, then triangle is not possible. Here you see 9 plus 12, 21, greater than 15. 12 plus 15, 27, greater than 9. And 15 plus 10, 24, is greater than 12. Then the triangle is possible. And its area can be calculated with the help of Heron's formula, because this one is a scalar triangle. According to the sides of triangle, triangles are divided as scalar, equilateral or isosceles. If all sides are of different length, then the triangle is a scalar triangle. Now, for a scalar triangle, only one option is there to calculate the area, that is the Heron formula. Now calculate S. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is the semi-perimeter. S is called semi-perimeter. S equal to A 9 plus 12 plus 15 by 2 centimeter. 21 and 15, 36. 36 by 2 centimeter. That is 18 centimeter. 5 to 7, 9, 16, 1 carry, 2 and 1. Now apply the formula, Heron formula. Area of a triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put all the values here in this formula, then calculate. S is 18 centimeter. S minus 18 centimeter minus 9 centimeter into 18 centimeter minus 12 centimeter multiply 18 centimeter minus 15 centimeter. Now it is area under root 18 centimeter multiplied 9 centimeter multiplied 6 centimeter multiplied 3 centimeter. Now prime factorial is number 18, 2 into, sorry, 3, yes, 2 into 3 into 3. 9, 3 into 3, 6, 2 into 3 and 3. Now, this centimeter raised to the power 4 and square root of the power 4, centimeter power 4 and square root, it will give you centimeter square. That's why the unit will be cm square. Now, arrange it in pairs. 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, and 3 into 3, 3 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 terms should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now, square centimeter. Now, separate each. Square root 2 square root 3 square root 3 square, and square root 3 square. Square root, you know, is power half, and square root and square, if both are present on any number, that is omitted. Because 2 square and square root, it means 2 square power half. I know this formula, a power m whole power m, a power mm, 2 power 2 into half, that is 2 power 1. That's why its value is 2. Therefore, you can write directly 2, 3, 3, 3 square centimeter. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That is 54. 2 3 are 6, 6 3 are 18, 18 3 are 54. 54 square centimeter. This is the answer.